All right, I'm going to get started. Good morning, everyone. As I said, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for being here this morning for a very special occasion and a very special assembly. I know the whole senior classes in here, it was optional to come because you guys have missed a lot of time with snow, so I did make this optional. But if you remember last year, you were all invited to the first annual Dude Be Nice Assembly, where we joined forces as a school district with the Dude Be Nice project, and we honored the members of the Unified Bocce team, as well as the Upper Darby Making a Difference recipient for the month of February. So we did this right around the same time last year. So if you remember last year, I remember everyone came up to me, I had my Dude Be Nice shirt on, and everyone was like, what is Dude Be Nice? It's actually a national platform that inspires young people to build a positive community. So I thought, you know, what a nice day to have this on Valentine's Day. And just as a reminder, each month our district honors someone in our community who's gone out of their way to make a difference in the lives of those around them. Today we're here to do the same. And like I said, being that it's Valentine's Day, I think it's fitting to say thank you to the people who go above and beyond for others on a day when we're focusing on friendship, relationships, love, and kindness. As a result of last year's Do Be Nice Assembly, we had an overwhelming amount of students who wanted to add themselves to the group of kids who are giving back to the school and their peers by being a member of the Unified Bocce team. Not only do these students give up their time to play bocce with our 18 to 21-year-old life skills students, these students have also participated in events such as the Polar Bear Plunge at Drexel University and the Youth Summit at Westchester University, bringing awareness to Special Olympics and unified sports. And I'm sure if you ask any of them, they will tell you that each experience was an unbelievable opportunity to learn more about themselves, as well as the peers who may not necessarily be on their same path or in their same classes, but still a member of our Upper Darby community and our school. And this is a great way for all of our students to come together and show what it means to be united and to be royal. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask all of the students from Ms. Danucci's class who are a part of the Unified Bocce team to come up on stage with me, please. Okay. All right, so I have my two helpers here. We're going to give out some awards, okay? So next what I'm going to do is one by one, I'm going to call up the students who joined this year's Unified Bocce team. Last year we awarded a bunch of juniors who are now seniors for being a part of this team. So we're going to honor our new team members this year. And I believe we have one junior and the rest are 3 seniors, okay? So as I call your name, I'm going to have you come up and you're going to receive your award and your Do Be Nice t-shirt from our friends, okay? So first up, we have Benet Green. Good job, Benet. Moselle James. Moselle's here, right? Yep. And Moselle, I'm going to give you a little shout out. Moselle was, each month I get to bring 2 students to the Rotary Club of Upper Darby to honor them for doing service in their community. And what was it, last month? You were my Rotary member, so we honored Moselle for being a part of bocce. So good job, Moselle. All right, next up I have Gandhi Laville. Is Gandhi here? No Gandhi? And then last but certainly not least, Christine Kelly, our beautiful voice, Christine Kelly. And you can see up on the screen behind me, we have the other members of the senior class who were honored last year. Their names are listed: Marie, Brandon, Savannah, Hamed, and Allie. If you guys want to come up just to be recognized, please, come on up. And then also, I don't want to forget our bocce team members from Ms. Danucci's class. We have Sierra, Ashley, Crystal, Aaliyah, James, Kevin, Ebony, and Keyshawn, who a lot of them are at work today, but we have 2 of our members here. So let's give everybody a big round of applause. And you'll see up on the screen, this was last year's Do Be Nice Assembly where we honored everyone. Here's some pictures from the Youth Summit at Westchester University. Okay. This was the polar bear Plunge, and another one from the Plunge. How cold was it? Was it freezing? You guys are braver than I am. Marcel, I love the boots with the bathing suit. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Can you guys kind of line up underneath, and I wanna see if someone can get a picture for me of this group. So line up here. All right, let's give everybody a big round of applause. And then Miss Danucci just informed me that the bocce team has a try match against Ridley and Interborough at Interborough on Tuesday the 19th. So we wish you guys a lot of luck. I live in Ridley, but I want you to beat them. So good luck, guys. Okay. No. Oh, more pictures. Okay. So next, I'm going to share with you this month's Upper Darby School District Making a Difference video. I'm going to let this play.
Hi, I'm General Campesano. I've been working here at the YMCA for a little over 6 years, I believe.
I guess I met Jennifer actually when she was a parent at the high school. Both her daughters graduated from the high school, Caitlin and Marissa. They both swam and taught swim lessons.
Our kids were actually swimming on our swim team. And she was one of those parents who always came in and was, I'm the parent of these children. I want to be involved.
I did all the helping out, volunteering for this, that, and the other thing.
She was here so much that she finally said to us, you should hire me. You should have me work here. I'd be great for the Y. And she has been.
Whenever you walk into the Y, the first thing you see is Jen when you go into the weight room, and she has this big smile on her face.
She knows everyone's name. She greets everyone with the same smile no matter what kind of day she's having.
She helps everybody that comes in there. And then when we go in on Tuesdays, she helps my kids.
Part of our activities of daily living, community readiness, the kids go out into the community several times during the week. We go to Acme, we go to the stadium, we walk from here down to the Lansdowne Y. Once we're there, we go in, they do 20 minutes of cardio, and then they do some weight training, and that's where Jen really comes in and helps us with the weight training.
She saw the kids coming in, another staff member at the time was working with them, and she said, can I help out?
I wanted to help. I like helping them. And it just seemed like at first it was just, I was just helping one student, and it evolved.
Jen kind of just swooped us up in her arms and she said, you know, this is what they do. You're going to do about 20 minutes on cardio. And then after that, then I have their workout sheet.
And I think she created that relationship because of her disability. The kids picked up on that and saw that as well and said, hey, if this person can do it, so can I.
I was in a car accident in 2002, which left me disabled, which is why I speak this way. I came a long way, you know. I couldn't even walk, so I feel like if I can help anybody in any way, I will do it, because I was so down and out that I wouldn't want anybody to feel that way, you know. And if I could encourage them not to feel that way, I would like to do that.
It's kind of cool to see how she has a disability but is actually able to help my students who have disabilities as well. She likes to work with the ones who have the most difficulty.
I'm more patient with them than most people would be. I know a lot of people would not be patient with them.
She likes the machines and she likes to do weightlifting.
When we go to work out, we split them up and she will change the weights, get them on the machine, have them use this machine correctly, and then we both keep a tally of what they did.
Jen, again, led by example, made personal connections with the kids and is really involved in making sure that they're progressing as they work out and not just coming to work out.
I write the date down, write everything they do, how many sets they do.
So that, you know, someone can't come in 1 week and say, oh, I did 5 pounds last week, now I'm going to do 50. You know, she makes sure that everyone is safe and working within what she knows they're able to do.
The progress they make throughout the year is just unbelievable.
She puts in those little extra things that aren't just about fitness, but about you and me personally, And that just makes all the difference in the world.
I enjoy arm wrestling with her.
He puts his elbow up on the counter.
I say, let's arm wrestle. She says, I'm all for it.
Then I just let her beat me down.
I manage to beat her every time at it.
She makes them feel like they are welcome in that space and like they are, you know, just another patron.
And when they leave, every single student pretty much gives her a hug bye.
She's an example of how to be a person who really cares about everyone and how to be that person who really wants people to be better than what they think they can be.
They're good kids. They're real good kids, and they can do whatever they put their mind to, just like anybody else. That's what I always tell my kids.
Okay, Ms. Danucci, would you like to come up with me? So Jennifer, at this time, we'd like to thank you for making a difference. And we'd like to honor you as this year's recipient for the Darby Knives Project. Thank you for everything that you do. Come on up and get your award from your friends. So Jennifer's receiving some beautiful yellow and purple roses, her Do Be Nice t-shirt, and a certificate of appreciation for all that she does for our district and our community. And her family's here. Do you guys want to come up so you can get a picture? Her daughter's actually graduated from Upper Darby. What years, girls? 2013 and 2016. And her husband, 1980. Let's give everybody a round of applause. Kristen, you want to move everybody under? Just be careful on this. Thank you. Okay. All right, so that is all we wanted to do this morning in terms of honoring our bocce team members, our Making a Difference video recipient. But I thought, since I have some time with my seniors, I wanted to go over, some things that actually, Ms. Pickett helped me with this too. Just some things to take away with you as you're leaving us. So your time with us is almost done, right? You're going to be receiving that cap and gown and leaving us. And I feel like if I taught you anything, it is to be nice to each other, right? Now, it's a little late to get involved in a club or an activity at this point. So just some things I have up on the slide behind me, just some ways that you can make a difference. I hope that this video and Jennifer and her family and the bocce team inspired you. In college, you can get just as involved as you can in high school. I was just as involved in college as I was when I went to high school. So it's not too late to make a difference. But even just things here in our building, doing something nice for someone, thinking before you speak, think how will my actions affect others. If you make a mistake, fix it. Like if you break something or take something, fix it, make it better. Apologize. It's super hard. I hate apologizing. I'm bad at it, but you have to do it. Go to class, ask for help, bite your tongue. Right? If you don't have anything nice to say, just bite your tongue. And then some actual hands-on things you can do. It's going to be snowy again this weekend. Shovel for a neighbor. Pick up trash in the halls. Smile and say hello. Even if I don't know people's names in the hall, I just say, hi, good morning. Okay? Lend a hand. Give a compliment. Do homework with a sibling. I know a lot of you have younger brothers and sisters. Do homework with them. You'll probably learn something too. I asked someone how their day's going. Say excuse me if you bump into someone. A lot of altercations happen in the halls because they're so crowded. If you just say excuse me, it could solve a lot of problems. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you before you leave us at Upper Darby and move on to the next steps of your life, whatever that may be. To always be kind, always be nice. Dude, be nice, right? It's so simple but so powerful, okay? So that concludes our Do Be Nice project and our presentation. However, if the classes, the seniors want to stay, I have some things for you guys that I want to go over with you in terms of graduation, prom, and your industry credentials. So you guys can stay, but Ms. DiNucci's class, if you guys want to scoot out, Ms. Campesano, if we're all done. If you guys want to, you're welcome to stay and learn about graduation and prom. But so I'll let them scoot out, and then we'll move on to our stuff, okay, seniors? Thank you so much for coming, Jen. Great job. Thank you for all that you do.